morning, loves. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. So today I couldn't vlog earlier because there was load shedding and I had to charge my phone because I don't have a camera yet. So what is this? Yo. So I am still like getting ready. We're going to the beach today. The weather is somehow windy, but then we like going anyway. So yeah, guys, I'll keep you guys up. Updated, not addicted. I'll keep you guys updated and see you guys later. So guys, we are leaving now. We are going to the beach, beach. That's my sister, that's my baby. What? So siyahamba ke manje siyokubhukuda and stuff. Cela ukuthi mangavula ibhuti. Vula ibhuti kodwa. Cela uvula ibhuti. So yeah, we're leaving, guys. So yeah, thanks. Hey boss, thina sibaninzi kodwa kule moto. So guys, we are in Victoria Bay. The wind is just too much. I hope you guys can hear me. What it do, gang gang? What it do, gang gang? So yeah, we are actually at the beach. And yeah. The weather is beautiful. The weather is great. So guys, we're at the beach now. What is that? We're at the beach now, having some chilled time. I must say it is kind of really cold a bit. I'm feeling all sorts of cold a bit, but okay, I am out here baking in the sun, and yeah, that's my CEO. That's my CEO showing her boobs.
Hi man.
She is showing her boobs. That's my CEO. Ooh,
Showing some twins.
I didn't show you my full outfit. Let me show you my full outfit. Naku Pisangi. Hi Pisangi. How are you doing, Pisangi? Are you good, Sissy? Great. I don't know what it is.
Hi sister.
Hi baby girl. Hi baby girl. Some videos. Beautiful tongue. Guys, the water the views are everything, child. Remember I said when we got here that I'm feeling so cold. But now, as from now, guys, the view is literally everything. Literally everything, child. This place is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. And now we on some bikini. So, we on some bikini. Hi, my 100. Sana mafoto ako, ma'am. Usa foto na fa ko forma bele. Digo finish sa mga ingke. Hey guys, so we have finished with what are you doing? Taking pictures and videos and more fun and whatever the case may be. I am extremely tired. I just want some energy drink or anything to drink at all. So yeah, man. And the thing is, my phone is dying, child. But yeah, I'll catch you guys a bit later. Right now, we are just gonna chill, and yeah, I was hoping to catch some sunset today, but it's literally just not possible. So yeah, guys. Hi guys. So I just got back home, and we actually just got back home, and I am extremely tired, but I thought I should just like end this video this way. To give you my highlights of this day was actually, my highlights actually were having to spend the day with family and being around family, because literally I leave at work. I leave at work and I visit home sometimes. So being able to go out and have fun with family means a lot. Is actually the highlight of this day. Okay, fine. In the morning, the weather was not. It was not good, man. Like, it was a bit coldish because there was wind and stuff. And then when we actually got to the beach, yeah, the weather decided to the weather decided to play along and be good to us. So literally it was just amazing, so I can say. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Also, if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.